Welcome back, everybody, and we've got some experimentation going on here this morning inside the studio. We've got the Arizona Science Center here with us, and they're always got some fun and exciting things. They're getting me all geared up at first. Now, Sari is here to show us we're going to be doing some fun 4th of July alternatives to like traditional fireworks. We've already had some things popping off here in the studio here this morning. So we're going to see how this goes. And I'm going to let you take it away and kind of show us what sort of fun experiment we've got going on. While I put my safety glasses on.
Absolutely.
Of course, safety first.
So here, I'll do the same just because, well, we're working with some things under pressure today. As you mentioned, 4th of July is coming up this week. So we've got a great activity that we do at the Science Center that's fireworks without any fire. So have you seen these items before?
I've seen like these little tablets look like Alka-Seltzer. Now, I don't know what this is.
I know, most people don't anymore. It's a film canister. Who uses film anymore, right? But we use them for crafts and for science. So I'm going to leave these here and we'll talk about it. So if nobody's seen Alka-Seltzer before, I'm going to have you drop.
No, I could drop. I'm already stepping back. I'm thinking something.
Drop it right in here. This is just water, and we'll see what happens. What happens? What do you notice?
Looks like Alka-Seltzer is bubbling up. It looks like we're getting the fizz from whatever the actual ingredient is.
Exactly. So a lot of people don't know there's actually citric acid and basically baking soda in here.
That's what I was going to say, citric acid and baking soda.
It's just like a bath bomb. If you've ever used a bath bomb at home, same thing. That's why it fizzes. The water helps activate it. The bubbles are carbon dioxide. So what we're going to do is put some of that all in these canisters here. We're going to lock it up tight. And now what happens when you get a lot of gas production?
It's going to build up that pressure and something's going to have to explode.
You know it. So let's just see it on a small scale here what happens. So we're going to put a little bit of water into this film canister. We're going to fill about halfway. All right, we're going to do this together. I trust you. You've got all the safety gear on. I've got this one already filled about halfway.
I like stuff that explodes.
All right, so when I say go, you're going to pop the tablet into the canister and you're going to push the cap on real tight and then you're going to flip it over so that it's sitting on top of the lid. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Canister.
Yep, push it on real tight.
Tight, flip down.
And leave it.
Oh,
so
mine.
That's okay. Real tight.
Mine was a dud.
No, and you nailed it. So the pressure builds up, all of that energy stored inside, and then when it can't hold on to that pressure anymore, it launches the top.
That was fun.
It was fun. Well, good. So you'll like it when we move on to doing this times 100.
Okay.
So that's what we're talking about when we go fireworks and we go big. I brought some helpers with me today from the Science Center. So we've got a whole bunch of these canisters already rigged up here with the tabs glued in with magnets.
Well, let's get it popping.
We're going to get popping. So I'm going to have this one flip, and then I'm going to step back and so these are my helpers that help set everything.
They're guinea pigs. You call them helpers, maybe they're guinea pigs.
They got the safety gear too. So as soon as we get this one on, we're going to flip all 3 of these trays and see if we can make it all happen. Ready? Okay. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, flip them all, guys. Go ahead. You can flip one too. You just want to wait. All right. Oh, we got a couple that didn't launch there. So here, I'll just flip these, and we'll see what happens. Hope that they're all on nice and tight. We tried to keep them nice and low to be in the studio today.
Wow. Wow, it's popping off up in here.
So again, if you're trying this at home, you want to be careful. You want to not get your face over it.
You need safety glasses for sure.
You definitely do.
I'm not going back to the table because we got some late ones coming here. I'm going to try to catch one. The next one that goes, I'm going to try to catch it. All right, let's see. Any more?
Might be 1 or 2. These are tilted over here. I see they're leaking. So you can see how much fun this can be. And
I got a clap for that. That was just great fun.
Thank
that
you.
was great fun. This is a great idea. I mean, I don't know if it's as safe, any more safe than regular fireworks. No, put your glasses on.
That's right.
Really fun ideas here for the 4th of July. And I know one thing, I'm not cleaning this up.
No, but we are. That's okay. But if you don't want to do the cleanup at home, you can come down to the Science Center, find all our information at azscience.org. And we have also, this is a great kickoff to the Apollo anniversary this summer.
Oh, yeah.
And we have astronaut Mark Kelly coming in this next Saturday.
We just had a story about him and his brother Scott, because he was, no, he's the one who stayed. I think Scott's the one who went up in space, and they compared how his body aged compared to the other twins.
The twin study,
Arizona twins. Very cool, very cool. No, hey, I know that you've been watching all this. We had it popping here in the studio.
That is one way for sure to have a party that is popping. I like it. I'm all about it. That was really cool. Thanks so much.